Welcome to the Neat stand at ISE 2022 in Barcelona. At the show, we're showcasing some of our Microsoft Teams room certified products such as the Neat Bar, the Neat Pad, which can be a room controller or a room scheduler, and the all-in-one collaboration solution, which is the Microsoft Board, a 65-inch touchscreen. Here we're showcasing the new feature where you can walk up to the board, hit the whiteboard button, and start Microsoft Whiteboard. The great thing with this solution is that if you have a local meeting, you can annotate, collaborate, and then if you wish, you can also start a meeting and it'll bring the board into the meeting. As it's Microsoft Whiteboard, you enjoy the same features such as the templates, where you can choose a template, load it into the whiteboard, and start annotating. A great solution for collaboration both locally and in a hybrid environment.